In this video, I will be showing you how to use Chatgpt to create a complete, professional trivia game package for your next team building event. Let's get started. I'm beginning here on the Chatgpt homepage, and I've already prepared a detailed prompt in my notes to set the stage. I want Chatgpt to act as my dedicated trivia question generator, focusing on accuracy, specific difficulty levels, and adding interesting facts. I'll copy this initial prompt and paste it right into the chat box. Chatgpt is ready to go, and it confirms it will provide fact-checked questions with clear answers and fun context to make the game more memorable. It even shows me an example of how it will format the questions for the best experience. Now, let's get specific. I need a set of questions for a particular demographic, so I'm going back to my notes to copy a prompt asking for 30 general knowledge questions tailored for Filipino adults. I've requested 6 different categories, ranging from history to pop culture, and asked for them to be arranged from easiest to hardest. After I paste this and hit send, Chatgpt starts building the list instantly. As I scroll through the results, you can see it has categorized everything perfectly. We have Philippine history and culture, world geography, and science and technology, all complete with multiple choice options and a fun fact for every single question. Next, I want to make this even more personal for a company event. I have a prompt ready for a fictional company called Fresh Brew Coffee Co. This includes 10 industry-specific questions and 10 questions about the actual staff members based on details I've provided, like their years of service and special skills. I'll paste this in, and now we have a customized round that really engages the team by mentioning their own milestones. Finally, I want to turn all of this into a ready-to-print event package. My last prompt asks for a full game host script, a scoring system, and even fun award titles for the winners. Once I send this off, Chatgpt generates a comprehensive guide. It includes an event setup summary, opening lines for the host to energize the room, clear rules for the players, and all 40 questions organized into distinct rounds. I'm even getting a tiebreaker question and suggested team names like the Brewmasters and the Coffee Beans. It even provides a professional closing script to wrap up the event. Now, I have everything I need to run a professional trivia night, fully formatted and ready to print. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.